Hi, I'm Mark Richmond from Chef Knives To Go. I'm going to do a quick video here on doing a real minor tip repair. This is usually how I'll handle a real tiny one. If you have a larger one, you're going to need to do more work and take a little bit more aggressive action. But what I have here is a 180 grit sanding pad. It's pliable. And then I also have a 220 grit, same kind of thing. And here's the knife in question. I don't know if you can see that tip, but there's just a little bit of crack that took off the tip of that blade. So anyways, this is how I do it. Go from the spine and draw it back and lift the knife as I do it. That is real slow-mo. And then I'll do this about 25 times, 30 times, and then I'll check it. And then I'll do it 25 more and check it again. And kind of like this. I got a little ways to go here, but you get the idea. Anyways, I'm Mark Richmond. Stay sharp.